Hello everyone, I'm Vedant Pawar. I'm third year computer engineering student at Basit, and today uh, we are presenting our third year's mini project, which is Psychalyzer and early childhood mental health tracking, monitoring, and assessment app. It's an innovative app which is useful for both parents and child to keep track of their mental health. It helps parents to monitor their child's behavioral traits and mental health conditions. It will also help mental health counselors and mental health professional to have more connectivity with their patients, as it is available online, and it will replace the traditional pen paper system of taking assessment on paper, on questions on paper, and then use patients writing their answers on paper. Let me introduce our app. We have made the app using Flutter, Dart programming using Flutter, and the backend is supported by Firebase and Firestore. So this is our home page. It will ask. There are three kinds of user: child, parents, and counselor. So whatever your role is, you will log in as. Then we'll log in as a parent. Uh, then again we have login page. You have to put your username and password and then login. So this is parents dashboard. Every user has a different dashboard. This is parents dashboard. These are the tests assigned by the counselor to the parent. For example, the first one is ADHD quiz. The questions are based on the child's behavior, because the parents are the ones who observe their child's behavior from third person's point of view. If a parent doesn't know about ADHD, we have an information page here. It will tell what is ADHD, its symptoms, then what kinds of assessment there, then what kinds of treatments are available. We can read all of that. Then the parent will take the quiz. There are questions like how often your child talked when she wasn't supposed to talk. Then there are these are the four fixed option, and every option has some weight with it, and the final score will be calculated based on the answers given by the user. I will just mark the random answers. uh, Currently there are only 20 questions. These are some dummy questions. Quiz completed, display report. This is a graph between question number and response. For example, this question has he marked the second last option, so it was weighted of score 2. Now, following this, we will give the credits. We will be using a certain author's questionnaire, so we'll be giving credits to that author, and analysis technique mentioned by the that author will generate the score. If the score is above the certain threshold, we will suggest the parent that your child may be suffering from ADHD. We request you to offer further guidance. We'll also provide contacts of mental health professionals, and there is this button to save the report as a PDF. We have well formatted report in which there is a section for every assessment. For example, the quiz, then there are games, then the comments by counselor and etc. things. These reports will be stored in the backend, and these graphical reports will help parents and the counselor to track the progress of that child who was suffering from any mental health disorder. So this was the parents dashboard. Then there is child's dashboard. Then again you have to enter your password under. Everyone will have a unique ID and password, and a family code will be there to link the connection between parents and children. This is the simple child's login page, child's dashboard. There are quizzes assigned by the counselor. He just have to take the quizzes and mark the answers. That's it. If he has any questions or any doubts about anything, or he is stressing over something and he don't want to, and the child doesn't want to talk to any of his friends or family, he can ask the questions to our chatbot. Our chatbot basically is based on it's LLM based. It is powered by GPT-3. He can ask questions like uh, as- I'm feeling low, and maybe it is because maybe it's it is because of my exams. Then the bot will answer in a manner to calm down the child's stress and help and will guide by suggesting some future steps. This was the child's background, child's dashboard, and there is this kind of response he will generate. Then there is counselor's dashboard. Again, test, and login. This is a counselor's dashboard. He can assign a quiz to children, then assign quiz to parents, or both. Then he can review the quiz, and like he can select which questions to be added in the quiz, and etc. things. Then the report will be stored in his and it will be visible in his dashboard. The This is for example, a student wants ADHD test report. Then he can view all the PDFs and can track the visual reports using visual reports. So this was it. We have added currently we have added two kinds of games for assessment. These are available only for children. First one is feel what you feel. It is kind of an it is called projective test, where a user is given some kind of images or some scenario, and then he will have to uh, express his feeling and complete and talk about what he is feeling about that picture, or he will be given a question like this or a statement like this, and then he will have to complete the statement, like I feel happy when I'm coding, or I'm when I play badminton. And then when I click on the save response button, it will get stored in the backend, and a report will be generated using machine learning algorithm. Then we are thinking to add crossword puzzles, then some scribble games, and etc. thing to assess the child in every possible way and make an interactive application so that children won't get bored using it. This was this was our early prototype of our app. Thank you.